Morning, guys. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. I almost say Monday. Okay, so we have a lot of things that are at a very good support. My main watch today are if the market is weak, it's Meta. If the market is strong, I have Netflix, Lulu, and Nvidia are the one that I like the most. I think Apple also because I saw Apple is at 187 pre-market. So we know 187, the very important level for Apple from last week, and it's just resting there pre-market. So Netflix, I really like Netflix if can hold 436, 436, 438. Those are the levels that I'm watching on Netflix. Lulu 400, Nvidia 480, and Meta if the market is weak. So, mm, you have the SPY levels on my Discord. I post all my levels there. SPY, QQQ, Nvidia, Meta, Netflix, Lulu, um, Amazon also is there. So yeah, a lot. I think all those levels can work out this week, so you can use those charts for the entire week. I was looking the weekly and monthly charts, and it depends how today and tomorrow is gonna be. I'll know if the week is gonna be bearish or bullish. But yeah. So Nvidia 480 is the same. Everything is like pretty much at the same levels as last week, honestly. Like 480, 481, it was very important for Nvidia last week and looks like today also. So same level as last week. Not much has changed. So last week we kind of like broke those levels and then bounced and then got, it's pretty much we're doing like a break and retest right now. So Nvidia is already trying to go higher. Let's see if we can have a hold of 480 when the market opens. Morning, morning. But yeah, I trade only the levels that I post on my Discord because that's my watch list. So we'll see. Like always, let's be patient and wait for good entries. Okay, Netflix. Well, Netflix is already going. Nvidia is at 480. The Q376 is the level to watch. Kind of looking weak right now. Yeah, but the market, I don't think the market is still ready for swings. Like I'm not comfortable, still not comfortable for swing trades. Well, honestly, I I took a little bit of swings, but taking profit on the way up because I'm still holding some Meta from Friday. I think Friday was the day that I post the swing trade on Meta. I took a lot of profit, but I'm still holding some. And I swing trade Netflix last week. I think it was last week, but taking profits on the way. Mm, so yeah, CRM. Ooh, CRM, it's up to 19. I don't care what CRM is gonna do at that level. It probably is gonna fill the gap or already filled the gap, but it's not. It fill the gap, it can bounce there, but it's not. I don't know. I don't like it there. I wanted to see it holding. Ooh, Lulu is already bouncing from 400. Okay, Nvidia it's a 480. Netflix just went out without me. Like Netflix just going crazy. Let's see if Nvidia can really hold here. And also the Q. And yeah, but Netflix and Lulu just went crazy. Anybody took Lulu out of 400 and Netflix out of 438? Those were the levels that I post. I like Nvidia, it's just the market is just kind of like meh. It's not really like holding, like it's holding, but it's not doing much. Yeah, I like Nvidia and Apple. Apple is holding for 188, but it just the Q is not doing anything. And Spice kind of like I don't know. I don't know. I prefer to wait a little bit until I see a clear direction with the Q and Spy. I like how my meta boots are looking. The boots are looking great. I'm gonna give it a shot on Nvidia. I'm gonna have like a tie stop loss. Um I got the 500 calls. Yeah, weekly. If loses that morning week, like this week here, I'm gonna get out. But I got very out of the money, so that probably gonna lose. If goes down there, it's probably gonna lose a lot of premium. I also got. I'm getting 530 for next week. So again, this is very risky. I don't recommend it. SPY is very, very weak, and the Q is not doing anything, but the risk to reward here on Nvidia is too good. Look, Netflix. Like, it's so much. Like, I hate when the stock does this. Like, this was my entry here, but it just shot up, like, just too fast. Extremely fast. Okay, I'm getting Apple calls because I like how the Q is reacting there. The 190. I got the 190 weekly. My stop loss if the Q starts to look weak. That's my stop loss on Apple. Bro, Netflix, I hate you. I hate you. I hate you, Netflix, but I love you, Nvidia. I like the Q it's holding 376. That's my level on the Q. In fact, I'm gonna take some futures here. So if you want to play the Q, you can play the Q with stop loss on the 376. Meta is running. Watch Meta if you can break 302, 300. But yeah, I really, really like this hold here on the Q. Obviously, it loses these 376, 375. It's not longer valid. Oof. We need the Q to break this pre-market high. Let's see, let's see. But the SPY is very weak, very weak. So I have, if you guys see one play here, so multiply these by 6 because I'm using a trade copier with 6 accounts. So if you see here, I'm making $100. I'm making 600 because it's the same for 6 account. And if I'm losing 600, if you see that I'm losing like 100, it means I'm losing 600. So everything you see in here, multiply it by 6. Watch Netflix if can break so Netflix has a 448.50, this level here is where the gap starts. So it had a huge gap till 475. So if Netflix can break 448.50 and use it as support, that's where the I don't like how SPY is so weak. I already did. Like if you're not mm, yeah, guys, make sure to like the stream. SPY is extremely, extremely weak. Let's see if SPY can hold 449, 450. Nvidia is strong, Apple is holding, Meta is holding. I'm watching Netflix, it can break this level here and use it as support. Nvidia is looking very strong. We want to see Nvidia breaking this level here because it looks like a little resistant from Friday. Yeah, I'm in Nvidia calls. But when don't enter anything if SPY keeps being this weak. I think you guys need to wait until SPY holds here. Because if not gonna hold there, it's gonna be very difficult for any tag to keep going higher, even though the Q is holding very good. I also have my meta put from last week, so that's gonna help a lot. Okay. So yeah, we wanna see a SPY holding here. Damn. So I got filled already on two, so I sold two. I'm up 400 today. But Apple is holding very good. Um, Meta is holding very good also. Netflix too. Nvidia is looking great. So to that, so far today I'm up 400 multiply. I'm sorry, multiply by 6. I SPY is looking bullish. Okay. Okay. Love Nvidia. Love Nvidia. I think Nvidia really wants to run back to 500. Like I really feel that. But okay, so SPY is looking kind of bearish here, and the Q is having a lot of trouble here. We need the Q to break here. Otherwise, I don't think Apple is gonna run. But I do like how Apple is looking. So I'm gonna put Apple here. I'm gonna keep looking Netflix for that level there for the start of the gap. So far it's rejecting there. But yeah, I like Apple. I want to see Apple fill in the gap, but it's having a lot of trouble here because it has a lot of resistance. But Spies, I don't know. Spies looking very weak. Nvidia is like crazy strong. Spy. I don't like when Spy and the Q are so different. Like the Spy extremely weak with the Q is just holding there. If you're on any if you're not on anything, I will wait. Honestly. I will wait to see if NQ is really gonna go crazy here. Mm-mm. If I'm taking futures, if I'm taking like the Q or um NQ or ES, is you guys can take SPY or QQQ, like it's exactly the same. Yeah, it's kind of it's weird. I don't know, it's weird. But I had to take the Q here because it's at my level. And SPY is like 450, 449. So this level here, I want to see a SPY holding this level here, like this green area here. I don't like that it's under this resistance, but I don't like that it's under this level here. Netflix rejecting that level that I was talking about. But so far, SPY is looking very weak. So. If SPY can like turn here around and be bullish, the Q's gonna go hard. Let's see. So I like that the Q is holding. I really like that. But SPY's too weak. Ah, I don't like hard stops. Remember that I already took profit here. I'm already $300 up on futures. So these fours are just runners. Looted back at 400. Well, I'm not gonna take anything else, but it's up to you. Like, you know, the level, I will wait until seeing spy and the queue giving me like a clear direction to take anything. Like, I would not take anything right now. You know, I like, um, kind of feel like taking an ES. Um, I'm gonna take one ES here. Why limit? Freaking. Okay. I think it didn't film me that ES short. Yeah, it didn't film me. What the fuck? Mm. And it stopped me out from the queue calls. So Netflix is rejecting that level that I was talking about. Apple also kind of looking weak here. 187 is the level that it needs to hold. Spa is kind of looking weak. The Q is just there. Extremely choppy. I re-entered the queue, the same play on the queue. I like the risk to reward here. If loses these resistance here, I'm gonna get out. So let's see what's gonna win. It's gonna win spy weakness or the Q being strong. Nvidia is looking very weak now. Under 480, it's a no. But I'm basically gonna hold unless the Q loses the support. So, very choppy move, yeah. Meta is looking very strong. Damn, today is like weird. So weird. So weird. Again, if you're not on anything, I will wait until you guys see what's the clear direction. Okay, so if SPY is gonna hold here and use the VWAP as in the 90 MA as support, that's very bullish. Good morning. Morning. Okay. I like that sorry, Apple reaction there. I think with Apple holding, it's gonna be difficult for a SPY to keep going lower. We can just have like a very choppy day and do nothing. It was. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, it went really good. Like, honestly, right now, I don't love anything. I kind of like what Netflix is doing, but I need a little bit more. With this type of move, you can literally get like stop out on the way up and down. If you're in puts, you can get stop out easy here. If you're in calls, you can get stop out easy here. But if you want to play puts, play SPY because it's weaker than the Q. If you want to play calls, play Q because it's stronger than SPY. That's all I can say. But I think it's better to just be patient and just wait. But Apple and Meta are the ones that are like holding up. Also Netflix. It's up to you. I'm not gonna take puts on Nvidia. I'm in calls, even though I don't like them. But you can take puts if loses 480. Like 480 is the level. You want to play put under 480, but also you want to play put if the Q loses 376. Like with the market like this, I don't know. You can play either way, honestly. And you can lose money or make money. Like, I don't know. Or you can just scalp. Like, you can get put here, calls here, puts here, calls here. I will not do that, but The meta is crazy strong. So I'm in this. Mm, 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 mm. Should I like take these? I feel like taking these and get out and just wait. Mm, mm, mm. Just spies. I don't like how spies looking. Okay, got out. Got one tender. It holes here. So we basically like okay. So if NQ is this low, I'm gonna get in shorts. But it keeps holding. Gonna go here. Ah, ah, ah. Yes, it's looking pretty weak. 275 there, got out. If we break this high here, I'm gonna get in again. But there's a clear level of support here. And it's a clear, we have a clear level of resistance here. So if we can break here and use VWAP as support, I'm gonna get in again. But so far, the market's doing nothing. Like nothing. I kind of feel like it's gonna boom boom, but I don't know. But like the Q, but SPY, it's too weak. Let's hope it can really boom boom. Okay, I'm gonna get in here. Let's see. This is a little bit risky because we were right at resistance. But let's see if we can break here. It's rejecting again. Mm, 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 mm. Let's see, we wanna see a break in this. Again, I don't follow me in futures because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm new in futures. I'm new in futures. So don't follow me. In futures, I trade very different than how I trade options. I go like very fast, in and out. Apple is filling the gap here. 189 is the gap fill. So if you're in Apple, be careful there. Okay, I like that. It has a 377.55. Like it has a lot of resistance here. But we need SPY to just go. But it's I like how SPY is looking, but it needs to break and use it as a board 449.87, kind of like there. Right there. But if SPY can break here the VWAP and use it as a board, we're gonna go. I don't know, like honestly, guys, you nobody can answer that. You need to wait and see how the market reacts. Like there's no you cannot trade guessing what's gonna happen. You need to wait. We wait and see what happened on those levels. That's the only way we're gonna know what's gonna happen. No, it doesn't matter what I think or you think. You need to wait and see what's gonna happen. That's the only way to trade. Not guessing. Waiting and seeing how it's gonna react to important levels. That's it. Just move. Just move. Let's go, SPY. Let's go, SPY. It's going to 300. Yeah, 302 is like the main resistance on, it's around 302 on Meta. So yeah, you want to see Meta. If you want to play calls on Meta, I will wait until it breaks 302 and use it as support. But again, we need the Q and a SPY to do something. Go, SPY, go. Go, SPY, go. Watch Netflix, guy. Netflix 448.50. Ooh, okay. So I'm just gonna move. No, I'm gonna move my stop loss higher. Okay, Netflix is at 448. I like Netflix. I wanna see. Yeah, I like Netflix here. I'm gonna get it for next week because I wanna see Netflix filling that gap. Mm, but let's see. I want to see how it's gonna close this 5 minute candle on Netflix. I'm watching here Netflix here. I want to see this 5 minute candle open above 448.50 because it still could reject here. So if opens above 448.50 inside that gap, I'm gonna get Netflix for next week. And I know I'm just gonna be patient here. Okay, $1,000 here. Okay. Mm, keep going. Why don't you? We want to see a SPY holding the view of an 90 MA. Ooh. So, okay, I'm just looking. We want to see a SPY holding here. Otherwise, just a fake breakout. Okay, let me see what I'm gonna do with Netflix. I wanna see again. I'm gonna wait until closes these. Yeah. So ah, okay. So we need to see the Q holding this here support. This level here support. As long as the Q is holding this level here as support, I'm bullish. If not, it's just a stupid fake out. Okay, so let me see. Mm, mm, mm. 48.50, 460. Ah, I don't want this thing to wake me out. So it's either gonna retest the VWAP or what? No, like guys, listen what I'm saying. I'm saying you wanna see Netflix close above 48, 448.50. Like don't follow me, like just try to understand what I'm saying so you can play by yourself, like understand the play and you enter on your own. Like just don't wait for me. I'm saying I need to see Netflix closing at like this 5 minute candle holding 448.50. Like that's your level. Like enter if Netflix, I'm in fact I'm not gonna say if I'm gonna enter Netflix or not. You guys know like what I'm expecting for Netflix to do to enter Netflix call. So you want to see Netflix closing this inside the gap. And again, don't follow me on futures because I'm just playing here. I don't know what I'm doing on futures. I'm learning, so most of the time I'm gonna lose. Mm, 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 mm. So far, this is bearish on SPY, but the Q is holding the 9 EMA, so I don't know. This is crazy choppy action. Again, SPY's not looking good. SPY's looking bearish. Mm-mm-mm. SPY's looking like he wants to die. It's just like heck, it's holding very good. Uh, Mm, 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 mm. I think Apple is the one that it needs to hold because if Apple doesn't hold here, um, we can die. Like really, because Spy is eager to just die, and it's looking bearish because it's using this previous support as resistance. Like I said, Nvidia is still holding 480. Like, so yeah, the market is doing nothing. Just be patient. Be patient. You need confirmation to enter. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. This is so boring. I hate choppy days. Like, I hate it. Got out. just 120 there. That was just stupid. You know what happened with action like this? We started making like stupid trades like this one. But I changed to micros because the other one was too risky. Yeah, I like that. You guys can see like I don't know what I'm doing on futures, and I trade very different futures um than options. Yeah, it's probably like you can change these and just put percentage instead of P&L. Let's see something. So okay. Nvidia holding that 480. Apple is holding very good. Mm, look how perfect Apple rejected this gap, like filled the gap and it got a hard rejection here. But I like what Nvidia's doing. The thing is like Nvidia needs to break this resistance here. like NQ, like QQQ is looking good, but it's just like very choppy everything. Like I honestly think we can go either way. But Apple is looking great. I like the 30-minute on QQQ. How the 30-minute chart is looking. Staying with SPY, but SPY again needs to break this resistance here and use it as support. 450. We need to see 450 holding on SPY. Hmm, what time? It's almost 10 for 10 minutes till 11. So yeah, I'm oh, kind of feel like ending the stream, but I really want to see what's gonna happen here with the QQQ. Like, I like how Apple is holding. It's looking pretty bullish as long as keeps this uptrend. I entered something, but you guys should know why I what I entered. Besides NQ, yeah, yeah, I did enter Netflix. Okay, sold one here. Gonna move my stop loss. Okay, so SPY, if a SPY closes like this, very bullish. Very bullish. and we can finally see everything moving. But again, the Q is right at resistance. Like this is another resistance here. Bye. So I think I have M and Q. Mini micro. What's the one? Yeah, micro. I have 6 here. And I'm gonna move my stop loss. Gonna sell 2 here. Just I don't like having like a hard stop loss. Like in fact I hate that. Because in futures I always put stop losses and then I get weak out. And I hate that. Because I always like to see like how the candles are gonna close. Yeah, I did enter Netflix. I'm not gonna sell here because right now it's looking very bullish. But yeah, the Q, look, QQQ is right at a very strong resistance here. But if SPY can keep holding here, I'm just gonna move my stop loss a little bit higher. Yeah. Look, Netflix. Netflix guy. I'm on Netflix. Apple is just right at the gap. Right up the gap. And Nvidia is doing nothing. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, this is a little bit of resistance on futures. Okay, I sold 2 there. Needs to be 1 here. Oh no, 2. What I'm talking about? 2. Hell yeah. Netflix is killing it. I'm gonna sell a little bit more here because that's resistance there. And then I'm just gonna leave 2 runners. Well, this is resistance here, but if SPY can just break this resistance here, 450.50, we're gonna boom boom. Like I said it like a bunch of times and I'm gonna repeat it again. Every time I see like the market holding, like even if it doesn't move, but it just stays on the same level, for me that's bullish. And it's exactly what the Q was doing the entire morning. That's why I kept buying NQ and micros and my minis with on NQ. Because when I see something like this that is holding for so long, even though it was rejecting here, but it was holding here the entire morning. That for me is bullish. That is bullish, always. I forgot to post. Gonna move this because I don't want any wicks that stop me out. Nvidia is doing nothing, like stupid. And Apple is right at the gap again, but it's still on a uptrend. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm gonna move this here. I need. Okay. I'm multitasking hard here. I don't even know how I'm doing this because I'm doing the stream, I'm doing options on Netflix and Apple and Nvidia, and I'm doing I'm posting my swing trades on the Desi Discord, and I'm playing futures. That's oh, thank you. Yeah, I love Scarf, like summer Scarf. Um, and AMD pulling out. Um, Nvidia. Why? Why AMD is doing that to us? Okay. Mm-mm-mm. I, I, I. Apple's looking great. I'm not even gonna look Netflix, like Netflix here. I'm gonna put an alert around 448.50 in case it goes under, but in reality, my stop loss is gonna be around 448, not 448.50. I'm gonna give it some room. Um, so yeah. Apple here. Yes. And I'm chatting with you guys also, answering questions. So let's see if we're gonna hold this support here. We wanna see now NQ holding this support here, the Q holding this support here, but it has a lot of resistance here. So look all this resistance here. And same with SPY. It has a lot of resistance here. But it's holding my zone. So for me, that's bullish. We'll see. put this a little bit higher. I will say 449, 450. 450, 449. Holy moly. I'm over almost 1300. That's multiplied by 6. What the heck? So I'm over 7K today. I don't need anything else on futures, only on futures. So I'm over 7K because it's almost 1300 multiplied by 6. It's over 7K. Yeah. So yeah, I don't need anything else. I don't need to keep trading for the week. I'm pretty good for the week. Mm. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I have 6 already that are PA, and I have like 14 or 15 that are like on evaluation accounts. But I already have 6 that are PA. And yesterday, because Trading View, I don't know what's going on with Trading View, it wasn't working right. It had like a problem, and I put a couple of trade. No, I was in one trade, but Trading View wasn't working. Like it logged me out. Like ah, logged me out. Like I couldn't see. Like I saw my P&L moving, but I couldn't see any like orders. I couldn't get out on on Trading View, and I blow up like 3 accounts because of Trading View. Meta breaking 300. So those meta puts, the runners must be down. Yeah. I only have 2 runners. I'm gonna wait and see if it's really gonna break 302 to get out of those runners, but I took already profits on Friday. You guys want a YOLO? I got a YOLO. I got a YOLO. Who wants a YOLO play? I need more likes if you guys want my YOLO play. And you need to be fast because it's running already. Netflix looking fantastic. Apple is looking amazing. The queue is looking great. I need more likes for that YOLO. If I don't get to 100 likes, I'm not gonna say my YOLO play. Ding, ding. Up and up because no, it's not Microsoft. Okay, I think I'm gonna sell more here on these resistance here. No, it's not AMD. Ooh, if Apple can break this resistance here, it's gonna boom boom. This resistance here, so 189.50. You know what? I'm gonna sell two just because why not? And I'm only holding two. Two runners only. Let's go. So anything like I always like to look back and see like what's going on. So we pretty much only needed to enter like I only needed to enter Q because it had my support. It was holding my support and then just be patient and that's it. That's it. Like that was a play. That was a play. Nothing else. No, it's not AMD, it's not Microsoft, it's not Enphase. Dang, 50% up on Netflix. No. Okay, I might sell one more here because we're, yeah, I sold one more. I just have, I only have one runner left. Yeah, I always say that. You only need one good play. And I feel like I overtraded today. Like, because when the market is choppy, like our patience is when it really get tested. So yeah, we only needed to play the queue. I had my level there, and then just be patient, and that's it. That's it. And be patient, and that's it. Okay, okay. No, it's not AI. It's not AI. Holy moly. So I'm up almost 10K on futures today. What's Netflix doing? It's fine. As long it's above 448, Netflix is fine. Like, don't even look Netflix. Nice, yeah, Nvidia was good. So my YOLO is Nvidia 530. I had 530 for this week. That's the YOLO, and I also had for next week. I think Nvidia can really, really go. I don't know if it's gonna go this week, but I do feel like Nvidia wants to go. It's a feeling, but I just had to get more Nvidia because Nvidia held 480, 481, which was were my levels. So like I'm only playing my plan, like my pre-market plan. That's it. I don't need anything else. Look, this is like too easy if you have a plan. Like look at this. Like my plan was, so why my watch list? Pre-market. This level 450, 449 on SPY. 376 on the Q. On stocks. What I had today. Let's see, today. No, that was not today. Netflix. 436, 438. This was my level. Or here. I couldn't get it here because Netflix ran up too much, but this 448.50. That's the level like if I couldn't enter here at 440, 436, 438, if I couldn't enter here on this level, you need to wait until you break your resistance, which is 448.50, and then you have the entire gap. Lulu, I didn't play Lulu because Lulu was, I don't know. I don't know what Lulu was doing. It was under 400 and my level was 400. I didn't play Amazon because you just need, I had one, two, three, four, five. I have five in my watch list. You just need to like pick two, three, and that's it. I didn't play Amazon, Nvidia. If can use 480 or above as support, I'm bullish on Nvidia. That's it. 480, 481, 480, 481. That's it. And that's the best entry you can get. If you lose at 480, you get out and it's bearish, but your risk to reward was just too good. The other one that I didn't play today is Meta because I was looking Meta only if the market was looking weak and the Q was never looking weak. The Q was always like holding the 376 level. So pretty easy. Like you just have a plan pre-market and follow your plan. That's it. That's why I like to only post my watch list on my Discord, because that I think that's the best way to trade. Best way to trade. And then you guys always ask me, or you always say that you have problems holding. Like this is how you hold in. Like I literally kept taking profits on the way up, and then I'm just moving my stop loss just because on futures I put hard stop loss, even though I don't really use them much, because I don't like hard stop loss, because I like to see how the candle close. I don't like getting wicked out. I don't like getting out with just like a wick. But forget about the stop loss. Like you can just keep holding, taking profits on the way up, and then just hold runners. And then you just wait and see how it's gonna react to resistance. Like right now, like the Q is at a very strong resistance here. Like you can see all this resistance here. So I'm just waiting to see, is it gonna break it or is it gonna keep rejecting it? Like right now, it's kind of like holding there. I don't know. I don't know what was my cost basic. I don't really look that. I don't look that. Because I have a couple of the 50K uh accounts from Apex, and I got also the 100 static account, which I love it because I don't have to deal with trailing stop with that one. So my max lost is on the 100. Like I need to, because the 100 static doesn't have trailing stop, only have like 625 stop under the 100K. So the only way that I can blow up that account is if I get 100K minus 625, if I get to 99,375. So that's the only thing that I was looking. If I lose 625 under the 100K, I'm like I'm gonna lose that account. But as long as keep making profits, my trailing stop on that account is the same always. So as long as I'm above 100K, I'm more than fine. So I got a bunch of those account, the 100 static on Apex um on Friday. So I'm trying to pass those ones because I like them more than the ones that you have like trailing stop moving all the time, because I don't know how to calculate that. And I don't want to deal with that well also. And my idea is to have like 20 accounts. So if I make $100 per day, multiply by 20, that's 2,000 a day. I use Yeah, I'm using a trade copier on Tradeovate. So on Tradeovate, you basically make groups for accounts and you put which account you want on this group, which account you want on this group, and that's it. But right now, I only have one group because I'm just gonna have one group, and then also for me, it's easier because I pass my first account just trading like very crazy. No, it's not harder. You just need, it's not hard. Like I'm doing it right now. Like you see here, $100, 150. You just multiply that by six because I have six accounts. So right now I have open PNL 150 multiplied by six. You don't need to do anything. It's just there 900. So I have my open PNL right now is 900. Like you don't need to do anything else for the other accounts. So nothing. Mm-mm-mm. And I love that. So today I'm up, let's see, 1500 with a few, like I have like around 15 accounts. Like I have six PA and the rest are like evaluation accounts. So, but I only counting my PAs, which are um six. So let's just say I'm up 1,000 today, multiply by six, I'm 6K. 6K only in futures on one day. Like that's that's too easy. Like it's weirdly too easy. I know it's a little confusing, but just it's not really. It's just like it's just you're playing with one account, but in reality you're playing with six, but you don't need to do anything. So for me, I'm just looking this account like one, but I know that I'm everything that I do this here, it's multiplied by six. That's it. But it's way better that way because that way, like I don't need to risk too much to make a lot of money. But also I need to remember that because when I'm seeing like today, like yesterday was my first day doing that, like playing with the six accounts all together. And I would look like $100 win and I was like, oh, it's just 100. Like I couldn't like really like my brain still couldn't like figure it out. Like it was 100. It was in reality it was 600. Yeah, it's copy automatically. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna done for the day in a bit also. I just want to see if it's gonna stop me out with this last runner or not. So far, like the queue is rejecting that resistance that I was talking about. Um, It's Apex. I use Apex, and for the copy is you do that on Tradeovate, which is what I'm using to trade. Because with Tradeovate you can trade on TradingView. And if you use my link and you put like save 80 coupon, you have a 80% discount. So okay, let's go with no. I wanna see this. Okay. So these I have. Okay, if you guys are gonna get it, make sure you go all the way down and you use this one. It needs to say Tradeovate here, so you can play it on, you can use TradingView. Otherwise, if you pick the one at the top, these ones, you won't be able to trade on TradingView. So you go all the way down, and I have a few of the 50K, but I got a bunch of the 100K static because, like I said, your stop loss is under, it's only 625. Um, looks like I'm gonna get stop out here. Well, so I like more this one. Like it's gonna be a little bit more difficult to pass because you can only take 2 minis and 20 micros. Um, and I pass this one taking like 10 minis, but that's too like risky. But you have like 2,500 is your trailing stop, and that's you guys need to, if you want to trade, you need to watch videos about trailing stop because that is a little bit complicated to understand. So for me it's way easier to use this one because you only have like stop loss of 625, and that's it. The trailing stop is like crazy, but you need, with this one you need to go like slowly and steady. Let's see. So yeah, get this one. I think this one is way better than the other ones. Like at least for me. And with that, the save 80 coupon and my link, you're gonna get 80% discount. So I think this is like $32 or something like that. Let's just get out. Bye. Okay. So yeah. Um yeah. Get this one. But obviously, before getting anything, just go to the like their fact Q&A, like this account, this page, and you can read everything. You can literally ask anything like trailing stop, how does trailing stop work, and you go there and have video because this is a little bit complicated. That's why I got the static. I like more the static. And yeah, just go there and first like read everything and watch the videos before getting anything. But yeah, so far I love it. I love it. Um. Okay, so I'm done for the day, guys. Like I'm not gonna be here I already make a lot of money on on futures, a lot. So Apple is doing great. I'm gonna still hold Apple unless it breaks 187. Netflix, I'm gonna still hold Netflix unless it breaks 448 with an ugly red candle. If it's just a week, I'm gonna keep holding. Nvidia 480 is my stop loss, and that's it. That's it. Like, I had an awesome day today. If you have any question, you can just DM me, and I always answer everything. But yeah, thank you guys for being here. See you tomorrow.